to my video. Today we and Ali are playing a Dusty Truck on Roblox. And you guys have to try his merch on Roblox. It's fire.
Let me tell them I'm going live.
Alive. And also you should check out Ali's stream. It's lekker. What's up, Ali? See, there's Ali that's winning his new merch right there.
We're gonna chat. Look at my new merch.
Chat, look at the merch. Chat, look at the merch. It looks awesome, right? Yeah, I know, it looks awesome.
This point is actually think I'm going live here. This point you actually think I'm going live. This 6-7 boy.
Okay, guys, I will go after today. He's trying to get this car right here. This Lamborghini. This is the old Lamborghini from come Ali. Ali the plane.
Say only myself like.
Join me. You blackie.
I just
Ali.
When Tommy said no, when you must come fetch him now at the bus stop.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. Huh? Tommy is our friend. He needs a bus stop fetch. So.
VIP people. Come as VIP one.
Yeah, because it's black.
My favorite car is the red. And yours the red van. So you must be a VIP now. He said so. Was echt lucky with the
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Ooh, fresh. Okay, this is fresh cars. This other first.
You see his favorite color? You see his favorite color was red.
I think we're not gonna die because he said if we don't give him his favorite color, we cooked.
And you see, he doesn't want any stuff on his you see, he doesn't want any flying stuff. We can't take this flying people. First thing, we can't take this. That's hard thing. We can't take it.
Guys, you see me, I'm locking in right here. I'm putting on the tires and also I'm gonna put in the gas.
Only put on 4.5. That's not, that's 4.9. So put 4.
Okay. Move yo. I'm about to go put in the fuel. Come fish the engine inside here.
It's the Glock 19.
Wait,
it's the Glock 19.
Wait, boy, I need to put in the fuel. Blackie.
I'm telling that I'm in yes. You can't put in the fuel now. Don't fuel now.
It's gonna be quicker.
Only 4 minutes.
Yeah, you do that, you know.
Oh, we can't put it in now. So we didn't put it in. I'll put it in now.
Open!
You can kill the side, it's easier. The other side, it's easier.
See that, Ali?
You must put it on the other side. Very easy.
No, you blackie, Jen.
See, yes, it's a back to place.
Kukumin ka. Uniki kanta. Aribusan. Ani gaski. cookie and a cream. Banana.
Yes. Almost like
We need the radiator. The radiator.
fix the plug off its regulator.
Don't forget food.
The rest of it is bad sometimes.
I died from starvation because of that.
There's a banana.
I put it in the corner. Some stuff also inside. You banana in the clock. Come on, let's go, let's go. Bro, how did I have the clock in my hand? Guys, I'm sorry I haven't been talking to you guys. But anyway,
I got up some dragon.
okay, just pull up there. Come pull up here.
Then we can just put the clock.
Now we move for this stove food up here.
Huh?
This food here,
There is a
inside here, I'm dropping it.
there is a oh yeah.
Take that, there's an onion also there. Is this
Yeah,
an onion?
vegetables,
It's an onion.
They have vegetables. Vegetables. They have vegetables. They have vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables here. Oh, it's not popular.
Yeah.
Grab it. You eat.
No, it's on the floor. I have to bring my brother-in-law here. Don't be racist because he's a black monkey. I mean, he's not black, he's a black cat. You are so